Times have changed. People now need smartphones, and smartphones have become an important, essential thing in today's world. People also have the requirement of good specs like a clear and stable camera, a fast processor, a long lasting battery, or a very fast charger. To meet these expectations, people need to spend a lot of money. So people won't be interested in spending money for the premium flagships. Neither they are satisfied with smartphones below 10,000 or budget rated phones. So the best smartphone range where most people are connected is the smartphones below 30,000. So that is the topic of today's videos. Top 5 smartphones under 30,000. Before this, I want to give some honorable mentions which are not in this list, but they require to be mentioned in this video. First, it's the Galaxy A71. Secondly, it's the iQOO 3. Third, the Vivo V20, and fourth is the Realme X2. So I have put some criteria, and these phones are selected by having that criteria in mind. It should have a processor with Qualcomm Snapdragon 700 plus. I mean 765, 735, anything is fine. At least 48 MP triple camera or quad camera setup. 16 MP front camera or 32 MP front camera should be there. It should be having the latest Android version or Android 10, or Android is also Android 10 is also Android 10 is perfect. It should have at least 4000 mAh battery and at least 18-watt fast charger or more. So without any further ado, getting into the list, the fifth one is the Realme X2 Pro. The Realme X2 Pro comes with a 6.5-inch display, and it has a Super AMOLED display with 90 Hz refresh rate. It comes with a 64 MP rear quad camera with 13 MP ultra wide, 8 MP telephoto, and 2 MP macro lens. So these specs are perfectly good, while it comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, which is an old processor. So for that reason, I have put this in this fifth number. It comes with a 4000 mAh battery and a 50-watt Super Whoop charger. The specs are very nice, but for one reason I have put this in this area is because of the release date, and that is it is an old phone. Though it comes with a 12 GB RAM, also I have put this in the list because it is an old phone with Snapdragon 855 Plus, which is an old processor. The next one on the list is the Realme X3 Super Zoom, and Realme X3 Super Zoom is one of the best phones released by Realme till now. So the Realme X3 Super Zoom comes with a 6.6-inch display with 120 Hz refresh rate. It's a very high refresh rate, but it does not have an AMOLED display. So that's the reason it comes in the fourth place. And another reason is that it comes with a Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. It is a very much premium and a very much fast processor, but it is an old processor. That's the reason it's here. It also comes with a 64 MP main camera and a 32 MP plus 8 MP dual selfie camera with a rare 64 MP quad camera setup. It works on Android 10 and it comes in 8 GB and 12 GB RAM variants also. It has a 4200 mAh lithium polymer battery with a 30-watt fast charging. So overall, this is a very powerful phone, but due to some 1-2 features, it has been placed in the fourth place. Now going on to the third place, we have the Vivo V20 Pro. If you are a person who likes to have smartphones with related to camera, a good camera setup, then this is the best phone for you on the list. Without a second thought, you can just go stop the video and just go for buying it. It's my promise. So the Vivo V20 Pro comes with a 6.44-inch AMOLED display, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G octa-core processor. So this is one thing which makes it in the third place. It's a very much new processor and a very much tested and fast processor. It comes with a 64 plus 8 plus 2 MP triple rear gimbal camera. So the camera quality, it's Vivo, right? It has an excellent camera. It comes with a deadly 44 MP plus 8 MP front camera. It comes with Android 11 and a 4000 mAh battery, and these specs make it really a worthy phone to come in the third place. It also comes with a 4000 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging, which is very much reasonable and very good, if I should say. It is also a very lightweight phone. I think these features make it a true worthy mobile in the third place. So moving on to the next mobile, that is the Samsung Galaxy M51. So, and this is another deadly beast mobile. It comes with a massive 7000 mAh battery. So if you want a mobile that comes with a great camera and an excellent battery life, this is the best one. And again, this is my promise. You can just stop the video and go get your mobile immediately. Now this phone has got a massive 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display. So this is another plus point for this phone because it has got a massive display. It has got a 64MP quad camera setup with a 32MP front camera and a 7000 mAh massive battery with a 25-watt fast charger. This phone comes with a Snapdragon 730G, and this is not as powerful as the 765G, but very much equivalent to the 765 processor. This comes with a 64 plus 12 plus 5 plus 5 MP camera, and the 32MP front camera is also very much perfect on this phone. It is a bit heavy phone, but it is also a very strong phone, as this is a very much tested and an excellent mobile. And now this phone is priced around 25,000 for the 6GB and 27,000 for the 8GB. So without another thought, you can just go for this if you're not that much concerned with processor, or if you do not really want a 765 processor, 765G processor, and you are happy with the 730G. Now it's time for the number one, and that is OnePlus Nord. The Vivo V20 Pro does not have a good display, while Samsung does not have the best processor. But OnePlus Nord has everything balanced. It might not have a 64MP quad camera, but an excellent display and an excellent front camera. So I've chosen this phone for one reason, because it is balanced. It is evenly balanced in all aspects. Because it comes with a 6.44-inch Fluid AMOLED display with 90 Hz. It is not 60, it's not 120, it's just between them. It comes with a 48MP quad camera, but the photos taken with the OnePlus Nord are just so good that we feel that it's equivalent to the 64MP quad camera. It comes with a 6GB RAM, 8GB RAM, also 12GB RAM. It comes with a 4115 mAh battery with 30-watt fast charging. And this one comes with a Snapdragon 765G processor and a dual rear camera, that is 32MP plus 8MP and 48 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2MP front camera, and Android 10 also. So everything is perfect in this phone, and this is marked as the best phone below 30,000. So this is the video, guys, and I hope you liked this. And these are the best smartphones, and you cannot deny the fact that you don't get better features in any smartphone than these smartphones. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you feel I'm worthy and what I'm telling is true, please do hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon beside it. So that's enough for today, and thank you.